let me, here, hold this. It's recording, so.
Look at this big fish I caught, guys. I can't even reel it in. I don't think my rod will hold it. Holy crap. He is pulling it.
Oh my gosh.
This is dinner. Woo! That's awesome. I need to hold that.
Oh, spinnerbait don't, oh, swim bait don't let me down. I think it's actually my first largemouth in this lake. Yeah. Yeah, I think all I've caught's crappie and sand bass out here. That'll work. This thing usually, this thing has not let me down on any lake we've gone to. So, this one, now it hasn't. So, I don't know if I used it here or not though. I haven't really fished this one in a while. When did we come out here and it was really windy? Was that Christmas or something? Or I don't know if I fished it then or not. But yeah, see that fish right there was like the size of the smallest one that we caught in Rick Don's Lake. He was kind of on the edge here. Right there on the edge of some of those little bushes. Huh? Big ones? No. I don't even think I brought any more of this size swim bait because my whole bag was full of them. That's all I was throwing everywhere we went. And then I was like, I won't eat all these things, so I took them all out. Because I honestly didn't think we'd be out here very long. I thought the rain was gonna mess us up, and it's kind of staying away right now. And yeah, it's that same color that I've always used, that watermelon pearl or whatever. Right. Well, what you think? Yep. I say he was there, then he wasn't there, then he was there. Well, it came off. I don't care, I'm just glad I'm catching something because this lake tends to kick my butt. He was right here on the edge of these bushes here. Yeah, pretty much threw right where I'm at right now. I was just bringing it right back in and he got it right about there. So he's hanging out a little bit on the edges. This is turning into just my old standby. I like it because it's got a little bit of it's got the flashy on it. So it's kind of a spinnerbait at the same time, but it's kind of a multi-use thing. So I'm getting a little bit of everything. I like paddle tails, so. I think this is the color I've used since Cypress, and so we each got 2 so far. They've all looked about the same.